they will come in here. We will actually do the pickling in here. And then we'll use the stove on the other side.
Gotcha.
So. By bag. Each season is sitting by some bags. 1 tablespoon, 1 scoop of each. My deal. Okay. I gotta get this going. How many got to all of these? That's fine. It's a little bit more, but it's okay. That's fine. This recipe, that's why it's so dark and it's old. My mom did not teach me how to pickle. She did not teach me how to pickle. What I did was I watched her pickle. She never sold a jar of pickles in her life. Never sold anything that she made. She never sold the breads and none of that. It was just to feed us. She said it's just easy to make this stuff at home and versus trying to go to the store. So that and her jellies, and she did a lot of things that we just had to eat at home. So I just, just kind of picked up on the pickling. Darcia, when the farmers market started at Paul Quinn, this was 2017, yes ma'am. And she said, hey, we want you to do your breads and everything, but we need a pickle vendor. And I was like, well, she's like, you think you can do some pickles? I said, I'm pretty sure. I said, I've never made it. And I said, don't lie to you, I never made them. I said, but I'm pretty sure I can make some good pickles. And that was my first time in 2017 of making pickles. And it was surely off of just watching my mom make pickles for years for us to eat at home. So it's a really good skill to have. That's why I want people to do it. You don't have to always pickle cucumbers. I stress that. I actually brought a few items that I pickled that had absolutely nothing to do with cucumbers. This is just so beautiful. Look at that. Can anybody guess what that is? What is that? Cauliflower. It's absolutely cauliflower, but it's purple cauliflower.
Oh, is that the color?
It's the purple cauliflower.
Yeah.
So after I pickled it, the color from it,
Yeah.
the vinegar kind of extracted the color, so that's why it's purple. So this is her favorite, and this is what she made around the house. She made the bread and butter. That's her bread and butter. She got one from the other day. And then the dill. Those are only 2 that I had in my whole household. And I didn't know anything about it. I only started pickling this because people started asking, what is this? What are these?
Peppers.
Jalapenos. I do them like this, and I also cut them up. This is a big deal. People putting this on waffles. I'm like, huh? Yeah. Chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles with the jalapeno. I'm like, okay. I would never do that. Most of the stuff here, y'all. Hey, ma'am. You like fabulous?
Welcome, everybody.
Thank you.
I was only doing the sweet relish, and then she was like, try that squash relish. It's amazing, and I like it best when they're mixed. If you can put both of them together, they're delish. So this is just a regular sweet relish, like you use like pickle relish, and you can use this one the same way. But I like them when they're mixed. They got the best flavor.
Oh, you got to be pretty.
My friends, they help me get the right flavors and the right heat, because I'm not gonna eat it. I don't eat it, so I have to make sure that it's where it is. Yeah, somebody gotta taste it. I'm not gonna. That's not right. People are like, that's not right. You can't sell stuff you don't taste it. I got taste testers.
You got to taste it.
That's it. Yes. So there's a habanero. I also have a red pepper. I think they brought the red pepper in there. Have a red. I have to have pickling cucumbers in order to pickle. And a lot of people came to me like, just get regular cucumbers. I didn't know. A lot of people do not know that. They have to literally say pickling cucumbers. If they're not pickling cucumbers, you can put the ingredients on it all day and they will not pickle. So just know that. It's hard to find them. Best place normally is Central Market. But your best place is to find a farmer where you can, well, HEB, yes. Well, all we have is Central Market. I do drive out to HEB, but it's best to have a farmer that you can just say, hey, I can buy them by the case. And it's easy to buy them by the case, and then I can pickle for a full day, okay? So, however, I decided to start putting a single pickle, kind of like when we was kids, and so you can just, whatever you want to do when you get home, it's on you. Then yeah,
How much are those?
Kool-Aid, those, I don't know, I just made those, I don't know. $1. Today's $8.